Hey y'all, welcome back to If It Ain't Cheap, I'm Not Buying It. I'm not feeling too well after surgery, so I'm not on camera today. But this is an open invite for Easter. My co host will be me, myself, and DIYing it, Tammy, and Wendy. Wendy always busy. So, title your video Easter Tablescape 20. Use the hashtag the Bunny Trail Tablescape 20. The host will be myself. If it ain't cheap, I'm not buying it. Kel, co-host Tammy over at Me, Myself, and DIYing It, and co-host Wendy over on Wendy Always Busy. The rules are you're going to use the colors pastels, have a bunny in a basket, and fake colored eggs. Make sure to have a lot of fun. The upload date is April the 4th, 2020, time 7 a.m. Please do not load no earlier. Playlists will be available on April the 2nd. Make sure to mention the host and the co-host in your video, as well as their channel links in your description box. Please make sure to go over and check these lovely ladies out and make sure to be subscribed to all three channels. We thank you in advance and we cannot wait to see your Bunny Trail Tablescape 20 on April the 4th, 2020. Y'all stay blessed until the next video.